dance is Holy Cowgirl, choreographed by Guy and Mundy. It's a 32 count 4-line dance. Section 1 starts with the right foot, side rock, recover, behind side cross, with the left foot, side rock, recover, behind side cross. Section 2, jump forward, right left hold, jump back, right left hold, out, out, in. Section 3, pony steps forward, right, left, right, step on left, cross, step left, back, quarter to right, stepping right to side, cross, shuffle. Last section, step right forward to right diagonal hold, step left forward to left diagonal hold, cross, back, turning a quarter right, another quarter right, stepping right forward, step left forward. Now I'm facing 9 o'clock, weights on my left and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance there are 3 restarts. There's a restart on wall 2. After 20 counts, wall 2 starts facing at 9 o'clock. So let me show you 20 counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3. On count 20, instead of crossing right over left, you touch right and restart facing 9 o'clock. Side rock recover, behind side cross. There is a similar restart during wall 10. Wall 10 starts facing 3 o'clock and the restart is after 20 counts. So you restart facing 3 o'clock and on count 20, instead of crossing right over left, you touch and restart side rock recover, behind side cross. There is also a restart on wall 6 facing 12 o'clock after 16 counts. So let me show you wall 6. Wall 6 starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 counts on wall 6 and you restart the dance facing 12 o'clock, side rock recover, behind side cross. And that's the whole dance.